Welcome to Tenerife, the largest of the Canary Islands, Spain. Located off the northwest coast of Africa, Tenerife is a tropical paradise boasting stunning landscapes, rich culture, and a unique blend of Spanish and African influences. From the snow-capped peak of Mount Teide to the lush forests and black sand beaches, Tenerife is a treasure trove of natural wonders. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to the top places to visit in Tenerife, exploring the island's vibrant capital, Santa Cruz, the picturesque towns of La Orotava and Garachico, and the breathtaking natural beauty of Tade National Park, Masca Valley, and more. Join us as we discover the best of Tenerife and uncover the secrets of this enchanting island in the Atlantic. 1. Tade National Park. Tade National Park, located in Tenerife, Spain, is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to Mount Teide, the highest peak in Spain and third largest volcanic peak in the world, standing at an impressive 3,718 meters. The park's unique landscape is characterized by volcanic mountains, craters, and lava flows, creating a breathtaking scenery that is unlike anywhere else on Earth. Visitors can explore the park's many hiking trails, including the challenging climb to the summit of Mount Teide, or take a leisurely stroll through the park's stunning landscapes. The park is also home to a variety of flora and fauna, including several endemic species found only in the Canary Islands. In addition to its natural beauty, Teide National Park is also steeped in cultural and historical significance, with evidence of human presence dating back to the 15th century. 2. Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Santa Cruz de Tenerife, the capital city of Tenerife, Spain, is a vibrant and charming destination that offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. The city's historic center is filled with picturesque streets, colonial-era architecture, and bustling plazas, including the iconic Plaza de España and Plaza de la Iglesia. Visitors can explore the city's many museums, galleries, and cultural institutions, such as the Museum of Nature and Archaeology and the Tenerife Auditorium. The city's stunning natural harbor and coastline offer opportunities for boat tours, whale watching, and relaxation on the beautiful beaches of the Atlantic Ocean. With its warm climate, rich history, and lively atmosphere, Santa Cruz de Tenerife is an ideal destination for travelers seeking a mix of culture, relaxation, and adventure in the heart of the Canary Islands. 3. Plaza de España. Plaza de España is an iconic landmark and a must-visit attraction in Santa Cruz de Tenerife, Spain. This stunning plaza is located in the heart of the city and is surrounded by impressive colonial-era buildings, including the City Hall and the Museum of Nature and Archaeology. The plaza itself is a masterpiece of Canarian architecture, with beautiful fountains, sculptures, and ornate tile work. At its center stands a magnificent monument dedicated to the Spanish monarchy, while the surrounding streets are lined with cafes, shops, and restaurants. Visitors can relax in the plaza's tranquil atmosphere, take in the vibrant street life, or explore the nearby historic sites and cultural institutions. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively ambiance, Plaza de España is a quintessential Tenerife experience that should not be missed. 4. Auditorio de Tenerife Adán Martín. The Auditorio de Tenerife Adán Martín is a futuristic and iconic building located in Santa Cruz de Tenerife, Spain, that offers a unique cultural experience. Designed by renowned architect Santiago Calatrava, this striking auditorium is characterized by its sleek white curves and soaring sail-like roof, which has become a symbol of the city. The auditorium hosts a wide range of performances, including classical music, dance, and theater, as well as festivals and concerts. Visitors can take a guided tour of the building, which includes the main auditorium, rehearsal rooms, and backstage areas, offering a glimpse into the world of performing arts. With its stunning architecture, excellent acoustics, and diverse programming, the Auditorio de Tenerife Adán Martín is a must-visit destination for culture lovers and architecture enthusiasts alike. 5. Teide Cable Car. The Teide Cable Car is a thrilling and convenient way to experience the breathtaking beauty of Mount Teide, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Tenerife, Spain. The cable car whisks visitors from the base station to the summit, offering stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and the Atlantic Ocean. During the 8-minute ascent, riders can enjoy the dramatic scenery and learn about the volcano's geology and history through interactive exhibits and audio guides. Upon reaching the summit, visitors can explore the observation decks, take in the breathtaking views, and even hike to the very peak of the mountain. With its comfortable and safe transportation, the Teide cable car is an ideal option for visitors of all ages and abilities, providing an unforgettable experience amidst the majestic landscapes of Tenerife's volcanic wonderland. 6. Playa de las Americas. Playa de las Americas is a vibrant and popular beach resort located in the south of Tenerife, Spain. This bustling destination offers a wide range of activities and amenities for visitors of all ages, from relaxing on the golden sand beach to enjoying water sports, shopping, and dining. The beach is surrounded by a promenade lined with bars, restaurants, and shops, creating a lively atmosphere that's perfect for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Visitors can take a leisurely stroll along the coast, enjoy the local cuisine, or try their hand at surfing, paddleboarding, or kayaking. With its warm climate, stunning ocean views, and lively ambiance, Playa de las Americas is an ideal spot to soak up the sun, fun, and culture of Tenerife's tropical paradise. Whether you're looking to unwind, explore, or simply enjoy the beach life, this iconic resort has something for everyone. 7. Lago Martianz. Lago Martianz is a stunning complex of seawater pools and gardens located in the heart of Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife, Spain. Designed by the renowned Canarian artist Cesar Manrique, this iconic attraction offers a unique and relaxing experience amidst beautiful landscapes and architecture. The complex features several swimming pools, including a large central lake, as well as waterfalls, fountains, and walking paths surrounded by lush tropical gardens. Visitors can swim, sunbathe, or simply enjoy the serene atmosphere, while also exploring the on-site museum, cafe, and shopping area. With its harmonious blend of nature, art, and architecture, Lago Martianz is a must-visit destination for those seeking a tranquil oasis in the midst of the bustling city and a quintessential example of Tenerife's rich cultural heritage. 8. Baranco del Infierno. Baranco del Infierno, also known as Hell's Ravine, is a breathtaking natural wonder located in the north of Tenerife, Spain. This stunning gorge is a result of millions of years of erosion, carving out a deep and winding path through the volcanic landscape. Visitors can hike through the ravine, taking in the dramatic scenery and spotting a variety of flora and fauna, including rare species found only in the Canary Islands. The trail follows the riverbed, passing by waterfalls, pools, and ancient rock formations, offering a unique and immersive experience in Tenerife's natural beauty. With its rugged landscape, diverse geology, and rich ecosystem, Baranco del Infierno is a must-visit destination for nature lovers, hikers, and adventure seekers, offering an unforgettable experience in the heart of Tenerife's volcanic wilderness. 9. Loro Parque. Loro Parque is a world-renowned zoo located in Tenerife, Spain, and is a must-visit attraction for animal lovers and families. This 135,000 square meter park is home to an incredible array of wildlife, including parrots, gorillas, chimpanzees, and penguins, as well as a vast collection of orchids and other tropical plants. The park's commitment to conservation and education shines through in its naturalistic habitats, interactive exhibits, and live shows, offering an immersive and enriching experience for visitors of all ages. With its stunning scenery, diverse animal species, and dedication to wildlife preservation, Loro Parque is an unforgettable destination that inspires wonder, curiosity, and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. 10. Masca. Masca is a picturesque village located in the Tenerife municipality of Santiago del Teide, Spain. This charming hamlet is nestled in the Teno Mountains, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and the Atlantic Ocean. Visitors can wander through the village's narrow streets, admiring the traditional Canarian architecture, visiting the 18th century church, and exploring the local shops and restaurants. The village is also a popular starting point for hiking trails, including the famous Masca Valley hike, which takes adventurers through stunning landscapes and ancient forests. With its natural beauty, rich history, and authentic charm, Masca is a must-visit destination for those seeking an immersive experience in Tenerife's rural culture and natural wonders. Its tranquility and scenic views make it an ideal spot to unwind and connect with nature.